In this video, you will learn how to reset the Instagram algorithm. The Instagram algorithm decides what content you see in your feed. Sometimes, it shows posts that do not interest you. This can happen if you have liked or engaged with certain types of content in the past. Resetting the algorithm can help you see more of what you really want to enjoy. First things first, open up the Instagram app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile picture icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, tap on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. In this menu, scroll down until you find an option labeled Content Preferences. Tap on Content Preferences, and here's where you'll find an important option, Reset Suggested Content. Tap on it. A message will appear explaining how Instagram suggests posts, reels, and other types of content based on factors like who you follow and what activities you've engaged in. Now, if you're looking for something new or different from what you've been seeing lately, resetting is a great way to refresh those suggestions. It's crucial to note that resets cannot be undone. However, as you continue liking, sharing, and interacting with new content post-reset, your suggestions will gradually become more personalized again over time. Importantly, resetting won't affect who you currently follow or alter any ad topics, those remain intact unless changed manually beforehand. Also worth mentioning is that this reset doesn't delete any of your data. Instagram will still use existing information to personalize experiences in other ways as outlined in their privacy policy. To proceed with resetting suggested content, tap Next. Now comes an essential part, tap Reset Suggested Content once more time for confirmation. This double check ensures that users are fully aware they are making a significant change. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, users can effectively reset their Instagram algorithm and start seeing fresh new recommendations tailored just for them. Remember that engaging with new posts after this reset is key to shaping future suggestions. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.